Okay, so right now I sound like this because I've lost my voice. So my friend Swana has volunteered to do the voiceover for this recipe. Drop us a comment and let her know if she did a good job. Over to you, Swana.
Chicken liver pate is hands down one of my all time favorites. It's something I always serve when I'm doing a big grazing platter or even when I'm just having a few people over for drinks. The smooth, silky, meaty taste that's contrasted with the sweet cold jelly on top goes so well with that crusty toasted bread. Now, I think that pate isn't for everyone because a lot of people don't like the taste of liver. But if it's made well, then it's such a delicious dish. It's perfect for a snack, as a sandwich filler, or especially to jazz up a grazing platter. And making this at home is so much easier than you think. I'm doing an orange chicken liver pate topped with a spiced red wine jelly today. Simply chop up the onion, garlic, and trim the chicken livers to get rid of the offal bit. If you leave this in, you won't be able to get that super smooth pate. Saute the onion and garlic in some butter and cook this until it's translucent. Don't let it brown. It's okay if your onion isn't chopped too finely because all this will get blended at the end anyway. Add in the chicken liver along with some thyme and dried bay leaves and let the meat brown for about 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add some water, season with salt, and add in the zest of half an orange and just a tiny squeeze of orange juice. You can always add more OJ if the taste isn't coming through, but you don't want the orange to overpower the pate. Let this cook for about 5 minutes on medium heat. Once the liver has browned on the outside but still looks pink on the inside, turn the heat off and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This will cook the liver through without overcooking it, so that you have that nice, slightly pinky, salmony color pate and not the grey looking pate. Pick out the bay leaves and strain out the liquid from the cooked liver and add it into a blender. Blitz this for about 30 to 45 seconds. It should be looking fairly smooth by this point with no big bits of onion or liver left. Then add in your cold cream and cold butter and blitz it again until it has a smooth, creamy mousse-like texture. Taste and season. If that orange flavor isn't coming through, add a little bit more juice. Just be careful not to add too much because we are also adding a spiced red wine jelly on top, so you don't want the pate to be too sweet. Pour this into a dish and cover with some cling. Make sure the cling touches the surface of the pate to stop it from becoming a grey color. Pop this in the fridge for about an hour to set. To make the red wine jelly, get some red wine or even port heating in a pan. And to this add sugar, salt, nutmeg powder, and some orange zest along with a squeeze of orange. Let this come to a boil and reduce down by about a third. Turn off the heat and add in your gelatin. Make sure to sprinkle the gelatin around so that it doesn't form clumps. Let it bloom for about a minute and then stir it in. Give it a quick taste and let it cool down ever so slightly. Strain this carefully onto the set pate and put in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours or overnight. Serve this with some toasted bread and even crackers and you have a crowd-pleasing party treat with very little effort. Make this for your next event and let me know how it goes. For more crowd pleasers like this, please subscribe to my channel Arubakes. See you in the next vid. Bye!